we will see how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, along with every alphabet character, a space character is appended. The alphabet characters are decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's see code to print this pattern. We have already seen how to print number triangle pattern. Run this file in the terminal py triangle.py. In this code, modify this print statement to print alphabet triangle pattern. Character starting from 64 plus 5 plus I plus j. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py triangle.py. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet right angle triangle pattern.